Right, what are you doing? You haven't finished yet? Come on, get on with it. Coco, can you do your jobs, please? Right, come on. What do you think I'm paying you for? And in here. Doing a very good job. What a clever girl. We finished? No. Well done. You finished now, have you? Think it's all done now? Turn it off then. Very good. Do the rug as well, have you? That'll do. All done. Thank you, Coco. What a good girl. Give Coco a clap, everybody. Hooray! And can you turn it off as well? Oh, well done. Come here. Give me a hug. Let me give you a hug. Don't turn it back on. You finished. More? Why did he do the dishes or something? Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you, Coco. Bye. Say bye to the cheese. Say bye to the cheese. Bye, cheese.
Bye.
Bye. You've got work to do, haven't you? What a good worker you are. Off to work. Bye.